These rechargeable batteries are compatible with Greenworks tools. You get longer-lasting batteries at a fraction of the price. They are a great option when you need to replace a defective battery or when you need to use your tools for longer. I'm including the link to this replacement battery in the description of this video. They are very easy to use and don't disappoint at powering your tool for a very long time. They are also compatible with the original Greenworks charger. I'm including the link of this replacement battery in the description below. The charger will indicate with a green light when the battery is fully charged, just like with the original batteries. The battery has a user-friendly LED indicator to display the charge amount. Now go further with your Greenworks tool without breaking the bank. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.